Hello, I'm Gary Patterson, corporate chef here at McCormick for Chefs, and today we're going to make a spicy sausage pizza panini featuring our Frank's Red Hot Original Buffalo Wing Sauce and our Italian seasoning in the McCormick culinary lineup. For the spicy buffalo tomato sauce, we're going to start off with some olive oil. Make sure the pan's not too hot. And we're going to rizzle some garlic real quick in here, just till it's fragrant. And then we're going to add some tomato paste here and just fry it just a little bit. That helps get rid of kind of that tinny taste of the canned tomato paste. And then we're also going to add in our McCormick Culinary Italian seasoning, a little bit of onion powder, and then we're going to add in our tomato paste. Now we're going to take and add our Frank's Red Hot Original Buffalo Wing Sauce to this as well. This is also a recipe that you could take and use your house tomato sauce or pizza sauce and just spice it up with the buffalo sandwich sauce or the wing sauce, and this will give you those classic flavors of Frank's Red Hot Original. So we're going to start out by basting the outside of this with liberal, copious amounts of butter, because that's what makes a panini work really well. Helps the bread crisp up, helps keep it from scorching also, and makes it delicious, of course. And it's going to start out with our sausage pepperoni spicy sauce here on the one half, and then we're going to put the other half is going to have some cheese on it too. This is going to be amazing. The Kalamata olives, the tomato sauce, the sausage. Top each half with some fresh mozzarella, and then we're going to top it with some Parmesan cheese that's fresh grated also, and then some crispy jalapenos. Adds texture, a little bit more heat, dimension to the flavor. And then we're going to top this bad boy with just a little bit more of the sauce. That'll help everything hold in place. And then we're going to mash this bad boy together. We're going to open up the panini press and fire these up. So one of the key things to making a panini is you'll see that it mashes more towards the the back than the front is to give this a quick spin, and that allows it to actually cook more evenly and stay flat. So we're gonna go ahead and pull these paninis off, and do they ever smell delicious. And we're gonna give them a cut, get these packaged up to go. Nice and full and delicious. We're gonna toss these fries with a little bit of the Frank's Red Hot Original Buffalo seasoning. This gives it a nice kick of that Frank's Red Hot Original flavor. And we're gonna add this in with this buffalo tomato pizza panini.